hello there, my fellow Jommies and Bobbies. Chicks isn't here, Chickson, but I have other friends, Fredward and Beans, and they just spawned in, so we're gonna go get them. Here, we're here. We made it. Just go in our boat dock. Quickly set your spawn point before you die. All right, guys. So now that your spawn point is set. Why are you guys not fighting each other? Oh god. I'm at half a heart. But you don't get to steal my stuff.
Yeah, but I get to take mine back.
I don't have yours. Alright, guys, I'm gonna smoke or make some food. You guys have my pork chops. I'm gonna go to the ravine, okay? I hate this design. I'm making a chicken farm.
Most likely you're not gonna get
Not a single chicken. I kinda knew it.
Oh, I came into a cave.
What?
Oh,
Oh, there's so much juicy stuff.
tell me, where is it? Here it is, right?
Oh, jeez, it's huge.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna come, okay? Give me some stone and stuff, because, God, I hate this stuff.
There's so much juicy stuff in this cave.
Give me my torches and stuff.
You keep picking up all my coal. I have 1 coal and I mined like 5. You have a ton. Alright, now I have a lot of torches. I have over a stack.
Oh,
How are you so bad?
yeah, okay.
There's 3 deep slate. I'll come back up once I'm done finding. Yeah, you can play around in the overworld. You can play around on the top. Sorry, I meant to say the top, not the overworld. Yeah. I'm coming back up and I'm gonna give you some.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna give each of you 5 iron. You can make whatever you want with them.
Yeah, I'm going down.
Ooh, more iron. Alright, guys. I'm gonna drop, Fred some iron. Okay, so what's in the furnaces now is mine, okay? Actually, wait, I'm just gonna make this my own furnace. Alright, this is my furnace, nobody can take. Oops. Subscribe please, because, subscribing is cool. And I'm a small YouTuber, so it means a lot. Now we have free water. Yay. Wait, where's my helmet? No, my helmet broke. Aw, I'm sad. I don't have my hat. So I'm gonna make a mob farm now. It's easy. Actually, we don't have hoppers yet, so it's gonna be annoying, but it's gonna be fine. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but it needs iron. Oh, come on! That is not fair. Now that I built that, I'm gonna need to collect a lot more resources to build the rest. The fun ladder trick is you can just go like, ugh, and then be on half a heart. I'm on 1 heart, by the way. Oh no! 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 Our house! Alright, Parkour Pro, can I make it? No, I'm. It was so close. I was at the edge of making it. So sad. Don't you dare take my stuff. Alright, this time I'm going to make the jump. Alright, I did. Phew.
Ah, so many zombies and I'm stuck in this.
Beans went to play Bed Wars for a second, but he'll be back soon, I hope. Should we sleep? Yeah, let's sleep.
Yeah.
Ah, nice. I finished one platform.
I can walk.
Nah. That's enough for today. So bye, guys. See you in the next episode, and subscribe. And like, yeah. Jami out.